Okay guys, so today we'll talk about FTMO challenges and I'll give you some ideas what can help you to complete this FTMO challenge. So as you can see, this is third day when I'm trading. Here you can see profit, what I'm making here. Here you can see all deals and things like this. So first of all, what I'd like to say, what personally helps me, I have created such Excel file, and here I entered so starting date is starting when you open your first trade, so you can go to FTMO, pay for the challenge, and you can open their trading terminal and wait until good opportunity, and only then when you open your first order, challenge will start. So what have I done? So I put starting date and ending, it's on 9th of March. So I have put all days here, yes, and so here is this column shows how many days left to complete this challenge. This red is weekends, so market is closed on weekends, so we do not count these days. And here, if so, I need to make 4,000 euro, so I'm participating on 4,000 euro. And if I will trade every day, I need, this is average number what I need to make in order to pass this FTMO. And for if I will pass FTMO, then there is another step called verification. So verification is much easier to pass, to complete it. Let me show you why. So I'm participating for euro normal for 40,000. In order to complete verification, I need to make only half of that amount, and I got so days are doubled. So I need to make only 2,000, and I will got here I got 22 days, but for verification got 44 then. So as you can see, in results I need to make an average 45 euro per day, and I will complete it. In results, as you can see, I'm doing much more, and this number shows how much I should make daily according to a number what I already made. So for example, if I will make here minus 100, then next days will be harder to complete, because next days I will need to make even more. Or if, for example, I will make 2 days, if I will skip and not trading, the next days, as you can see, I need to make much more in order to complete this challenge. So these graphs showing how much exactly you need to complete in order to complete the challenge. And what you can do is you can simply trade as you're trading very carefully, and I'm recommending to reduce max daily loss. So if you will complete minimum trading days, max daily loss, max loss, so if you will complete these steps and will make some profits here, you will get free attempt for the next challenge. So first challenge I was not able to complete profit target, so I received this one. And what you can do if for example, if you need to make 500 here, and you see that you got only 1 day left, what you can do, you can risk with all your profit, and if you are lucky enough, you will complete your challenge. If you will hit your stop loss, at least you will get one more attempt to pass this challenge. So here you can see also calculation. So I'm trading mostly British pound and euro bucks, and here you can see how much will cost me if I will trade with one lot. So this is in pips how much is one lot, two lots, and things like this. So for example, if I will take movement like if I will open position 5 lot and will take 40 pips movement, I will earn this type of amount. As well, if I will hit my stop loss and I will open 5 lot, so here is 40 pips will cost me this type of amount. So what I recommend is when you are trading, do not risk more than half of this amount. I'm using risk 1000 euro as max daily loss, but it's up to you, it's up to your strategy. I'm using max daily loss 2000 or what, sorry, 1000, and let me show you why. So for example, so first days I try to risk hard, but today's market is very slow, and I'm trading as usual. So for example, if I will hit 1000 euro stop loss in first so for example, if I will hit now 1000 euros stop loss on my account, so I'll lose all these 3 days profit, and my account will be in drawdown 500 euro. So it's not hard to make me 500 euro next days in order to get free attempt to the next challenge. But if I will hit 200 in one order in my first day, it means that I will need to, in order to complete challenge, I need to make already 4000 plus 2000 euro hit, so it's 6000 euro, and I will get left 21 days. So this means that every next day I should make this type of amount in profit. So it's already difficult if I will make slowly, but this type of amount. And now, as you can see, now I need to make only this type of amount, and it's already less than daily required. But it doesn't mean that if you will hit this daily required, you stop trading. So usually if I see good opportunity, why not to earn more, like here? Yes, so you got the idea. So what I would like to say, you guys, try to be constant, and if you see that you have left 1 or 2 days and you need to make like 500 euro, and you see that probably you will not reach it, risk with your profit what you have already made, and try to, if you will be lucky enough, you will complete this challenge. If not, uh, don't be stressed a lot and try next month, and you for sure will complete this challenge. Just be constant. This is exactly what I understand how this works. Just use risk management and control your daily loss and grow your account slowly. Okay guys, have a good day, and if you have any questions, please contact me.